Good morning, OPOS. We'll do the universal North Indian curry paste. So I'll start with quarter cup of oil, whatever oil you like. Oops. There is one. And here. So quarter cup of oil and 250 grams of shallots on one side. Now shallots are incredibly resistant to burning. They burn far less than onions. So I'll add them on one side. 250 grams of small tomatoes. Ensure that as many of them touch the base as possible. 5 green chilies. It doesn't matter if these don't caramelize. Quarter cup of beetroot. This is just for the color. And 1 tablespoon of ginger. Around 5 garlic cloves. That's it. Close. Cook on high for around 6 to 7 minutes. Just let it go for around 7 minutes. Release the pressure, blend everything. Mix in a bit of salt, garam masala, kasuri methi, and your curry base is ready. Now if you're throwing a party, this would be incredibly useful to have. You can mix this in with almost anything. Just pressure bake vegetables, mix in a couple of tablespoons of this, dilute with cream or milk or coconut milk or whatever. Your instant curry will be ready. So if you are planning a party or if you are planning to cook a large batch of curries, always prepare the staple, keep it aside, and then you just need to mindlessly pressure bake whatever you have. Mix in a bit of this curry paste, then mix in whatever diluting liquid you need. If you want a richer color, you can also mix in some Kashmiri chili powder. For those of you who face problems with onions burning, I strongly suggest you try switching over to shallots. They burn a lot less and they behave much better than onions. They also give a much more intense flavor. On the flip side, they are notoriously difficult to peel. So this will be the recipe. Quarter cup of oil, 1 tablespoon ginger, 5 garlic cloves, 250 grams shallots, 250 grams small tomatoes. If you are using large tomatoes, you just scoop them out. 5 green chilies, quarter cup of beetroot for the color. Cook for around 6 to 8 minutes on high, depending on the caramelization you need. Release the pressure. Blend everything with 1 teaspoon salt, garam masala. Mix in a tablespoon of kasuri methi. You can also mix in some Kashmiri chili powder for a bright color. We have 4 more minutes to go. If you have any questions on caramelization, on burning, on curry bases, please type them out and I'll answer it while we wait for the whistles. This half a kilo of curry base can translate into curries for almost 20 to 30 people. If you just mix in pressure baked vegetables and dilute it. So if you are planning to throw a party, mindlessly prepare this curry paste, put it in the fridge, whether you want it or not, you will always find use for it later. We just have one more minute to go. That's it, 7 minutes are up, it has switched off. Release the pressure. If you do not want excess oil, you can filter out the oil, but I strongly suggest you keep it because this is a concentrate and the oil will emulsify into a nice creamy gravy. There you go, you'll see the onions are caramelized and disintegrated. You see there is minimal charring at the bottom, and all we have to do is to add a teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of salt. I'm using pink salt. If you want color, you can add a teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder, which will cook in the retained heat. I'm going to blend it all. We have a nice creamy paste. Look at that. Rich and colorful. Mix in 1 tablespoon of kasuri methi for an extra burst of flavor. Just crush it in and mix it in. And there is your intensely flavored, ultra simple curry paste. All you have to do is pressure bake whatever you like. Mix in a bit of this curry paste and dilute it with whatever you like. Milk or cream or yogurt or coconut milk, whatever. Instant curries, colorful, flavorful curries guaranteed. You just cannot go wrong. Please try this out and post your validations. Look at this beauty. Gorgeous, no?